nests in trees, caves, and swamps, and
You take one of my chairs down. We get a fight.
I'm back. You got no pussies.
We got a fight. Square now.
It's election day 2024. This is what we're doing to pass our time. Who knows what's going to happen? Hopefully I watch this video in a few years and Kamala Harris is not still the president. Hopefully. God, I hope.
You take these out my shoes.
Wait to put this up there.
You're not going to beat anybody up.
Alone.
Okay, guys, let's go look at the rest of the place.
Mommy, I'm back.
Come on.
This thing's. What do I hope?
5
Ant!
minutes.
A for real ant.
No, is it big or little?
Big.
Oh, is it black or no?
Yes.
Okay, come on, guys.
It's red.
Come on, guys.
Mommy, can I take a video? No,
Hold on. No, I'm just putting this on YouTube for us to always remember.
Okay.
The Nature Center.
That's cute. Mommy, I found the ant our birthstone.
This is the Nature Center.
I found Mommy, I found our birthstone. Come here. Mom, come here. I found
Where, amethyst?
Yeah.
Oh!